Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Are you selling on Facebook but have to manually post to each group? Repeating every day? Very time consuming? In today's video, I will share how to post to thousands of Facebook groups completely automatically, extremely simple, with just one button. Please watch the whole video to know how to do it. Okay, in the first step, everyone chooses the post function. Then you choose the first item, which is group post. Here you can set up the parameters according to each person's needs. Next, everyone chooses the content. Here you choose the content you want to post, and this content you can prepare in advance. Next is in the posting configuration section. Here you choose the groups that you want to post to, and you just need to paste the group ID in. You can skin these groups in bulk like in this file. If you don't know how to skin groups, you can find videos on my channel that show you how to skin groups in bulk. Next, I will install the software parameters according to my needs. And finally, you select all Facebook accounts and press the Start button to let all those accounts automatically post in bulk to all those groups. It's simple and easy, right? Anyone interested in the software, please contact me directly via the contact information below the video. Remember to follow the channel and like my videos to watch more new videos about other software.